Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a tool that's been making waves in the AI space, Super AI. If you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketer looking to save time and automate tasks, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Super AI works, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth your money. Let's start with the basics. Super AI is an all-in-one AI platform designed to handle everything from writing blog posts and creating graphics to analyzing data and automating marketing campaigns. It's sold on Warrior Plus for a one-time fee, which is rare in the subscription-heavy AI tool market. In this review, I'll cover what Super AI can do, my hands-on experience testing its features, real results from case studies pricing, and upsells who should and shouldn't buy it. First up, the features. Super AI packs a lot into one dashboard. The AI content generator can write blog posts, social media captions, ads, and even scripts. I tested it by asking it to write a 1,000-word article about email marketing. The output was solid, good structure, relevant keywords, and minimal fluff. It's not perfect, though. I had to tweak a few sentences to sound more natural, but it saved me hours of work. Next, the graphic design tool. This surprised me. You can create logos, YouTube thumbnails, and ads using templates. I made a Facebook ad for a fake product in under 5 minutes. The designs are modern, but if you're a pro designer, you'll still need tools like Photoshop for advanced edits. One standout feature is the predictive analytics dashboard. It pulls data from your Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and more to predict trends. For example, it warned me that one of my ad campaigns was about to tank and suggested how to fix it. Following its advice lowered my cost per click by 20%. Now, let's talk about the marketing automation. Setting up email sequences or social media workflows is straightforward. I automated a welcome series for my newsletter, and it worked flawlessly. But if you're new to automation, expect a learning curve. Super AI also includes quirky extras, like voice cloning and a video editor. The voice tool generated a scarily realistic voiceover for a promo video. The video editor is basic but handy, for quick cuts and text overlays. So, how does it perform in real life? I tested Super AI across 3 scenarios. Running a blog, wrote 10 posts in 2 hours versus 10+ hours manually. Launching a product, created ads, emails, and social posts in one dashboard. Handling customer service, built a chatbot that answered 80% of queries without human help. The results? Huge time savings and decent quality. But remember, AI tools can't replace human creativity. You'll still need to edit outputs to add your brand's voice. Now, the big question. How much does it cost? The front-end price on Warrior Plus is $17. That gets you the core features, content, graphics, and basic automation. But there are upsells, OTO 1, $47. Ads, video tools, and advanced AI training, OTO 2, $67. Agency license for client work, OTO $397. Done-for-you campaigns and VIP support. The total cost with all upsells is around $230. Compared to tools like Jasper or Midjourney, which charge monthly, Super AI's cheaper long-term Beautify You Rihanna budget, the $230. Compared to tools like Jasper or Midjourney, which charge monthly, Super AI's cheaper long-term Beautify You Rihanna budget, the 17 version alone is still powerful. Who's this for? If you're a solopreneur, small business owner, or agency looking to cut costs and speed up workflows, Super AI is a no-brainer. But if you need hyper-customized solutions or hate editing AI content, skip it. Pros: all-in-one tool, replaces 10+ apps, saves 5 to 10 hours per week. Affordable one-time price, easy for beginners. Cons: outputs need human tweaking. Upsells are almost mandatory. For full power, occasional slow loading times. Final verdict? I'd rate Super AI a 4.55. It's not magic, but it's close. For under $20, the value is insane, especially if you're drowning in content or design tasks. If you're ready to try Super AI, check the link in the description. They're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you've tried Super AI or have questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech reviews. See you next time.